You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 5,986, or 77.369. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals -1 and y1 equals -34. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 74 and y2 equals -15. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -1. x2 equals 74. y1 equals -34. y2 equals -15. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 5,986, or 77.369.